Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's the Apple Professional here, and today we are going to be unboxing the Obi200 Google Voice adapter. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. Is it Obi200 or Obi200? I think I'm not really sure, but it's a company. God darn it. Gotta do it again. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing the Obi200 Google Voice adapter. I'm not sure if it's pronounced Obi200 or Obi200 or whatever it's called, but this is a Google Voice adapter that you can plug into your home phone, and then you can get a phone number and then your landline phone will start working. I know this isn't Apple, but like I said, on this channel, I want to do more tech stuff, tech plus Apple, both of them together. So I thought I would do this unboxing for you guys since it's techy. And this is one of the things that my family had ordered for Black Friday, so we got a good deal on this adapter. I mean, if you are interested in buying this adapter, I'll link it down in the description below. If you get the adapter from there, it really does help my channel, because then you get some kickback because it's an affiliate link. Now, this Google Voice adapter, you get free calls to USA and Canada, and then if you want to call international, like Israel or Palestine or India or something along those lines, you would have to check the rates of Google. I know for India it's 1 cent per minute, but I'm not sure about the other countries. And this is a huge money saver for the landline. If you are looking to get a landline and you're currently using AT&T's, landline plan or whatever, because that's expensive, and you pay for USA and Canada calls. But with this, you get USA Canada calls free, and international calls is also cheap too. So you want to go with this and save your money. It works pretty well. It's not made by Google themselves. It's made by Obi200. It's a company, but they work with Google. They don't work with Google. They work with the Google software to help the Google Voice number come as a landline number. And then also, if you want to use your cell phone, you can install the Google Voice app, and then you can, call using that also. But it's carrier calling, so Google will forward the call. And this was a good option because previously we were using a software called Vonage, which, it was like $20, $25 a month just for USA calls, and it was even more expensive to Canada calls and international calls. So this is a huge improvement and a money saver. And if you haven't already, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, comment down below, do all that good stuff, because I have some upcoming videos planned for all of you guys, and it really does help to grow to my channel. Okay, now enough talking. Let's actually unbox this bad boy, see how it looks like. I saw it in the pictures, but I want to see how it looks in real life. This huge money saver, free calls to USA, Canada. You get free calls. You get Alright, just gonna box this. I kind of already showed you guys, but we're going to unbox this. Okay, I'm sorry if my head was in the way because of that, but we are going to unbox this so you can see how it looks like. There we go. It's not even Obi200. I'm sorry, it's not Obi200. That's another company that works with this company called Polycom. This is the installation and configuration guide for Polycom. See, it's Google Voice adapter. Got some instructions, warranty, Polycom Ethernet cable. So we'll put the instructions aside, but that is vital for this. Okay, what do we got here? We have got a Ethernet cable in the box. We have a power adapter to power the Polycom Google Voice adapter. And look, we have the actual Google Voice adapter right here. You can't use it to call emergency calls, but looks like this Polycom Google Voice adapter is really good for its price, and I think it might do the job. So we got calls, that's the internet thing, there it is. I'm going to take a closer look at it. It's much smaller than the Vonage adapter, honestly, but it's a money saver. So, okay, I mean the packaging, it looks neat on the unboxing and the outside, but you know, it's not the best. It's not like Google or Apple, because but they have pretty good plastic wrap stuff in their products. But you gotta excuse them because this is a small company. You know, I wouldn't have really expected, you know, high-end stuff like Amazon unboxing or something like that. But that is my unboxing of this Google Voice Router. If you have any other questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down in the comment section below. Also, check the other links down in the description below, like my Discord link, my Rakuten link, you know, the cheapest iPhones, and other stuff like that. And I will see you all in the next video. Peace out till then.